What's up, guys? Marty P Reviews here, back at it again with another review.
What is up? Busy boy Mr. Fat Cakes 2, back at it again for this review. What are we doing today, Martin?
Well, Marcus, today we're going to be reviewing the Hitlights LED strips from Amazon.
Oh, we're?
Yeah. But first, we should probably fix this garbage audio quality first, since we're professionals.
Yeah, let's fix that right quick.
Thank you, Garrett. Let's get these open then.
Let's do it.
All right, let's get this done. We got iPhones.
Don't worry, man. We came prepared.
Thanks, man.
Better?
Yeah.
All right, well, with that out of the way.
Let's move on to the actual product. Garrett?
Nice throw, Garrett. Marcus, give him a little something.
Got you, bro.
All right, let's get this open.
Nah, it's not good enough.
Oh, right.
Nah, bro.
I got something better.
What?
Alright, awesome.
Okay. All right. Pretty elegant box. Says right here, yeah, think beyond the bulb.
Ooh, okay.
How many watts are we looking at?
It says about 1.4 watts per feet.
Ooh, how many feet?
About 5, 6. Oh, you mean the lights? 16.4 feet.
Oh, okay. Can I put it in my bathtub, though?
IP65 water resistant.
That's what we need. That's what we're looking for.
Alright, let's rip this thing open.
Right on it.
Of course.
All right.
Ooh, okay. Here we got the AC adapter. Oh,
Right. Manuals. You know what we do with these.
nice.
We read them. I wonder what this is.
We got some like mounting brackets here. Get that in the frame. Oh, cleaning one. Anti-static. Nice.
Nice.
Removes excess dirt.
We got the remote.
Got the setup guide. Got all the setups and the guides.
And the control box.
Oh, okay. That's useful.
All right. And you want to do the honors?
Here's the main thing. Looks like a bag of Pop-Tarts.
So we'll just rip it open then.
Sure. Alrighty. Oof. Alright, we got all the strips here.
Yeah, it's all in one nice roll.
Nice.
Should we just break it down to the essentials then?
Sure, let's do it.
All right. So we got the remote.
The remote.
The strips, obviously.
Got the AC power adapter.
They give you some mounting hardware, which I actually haven't seen with other LED strips.
Yeah, that's quite nice.
They
Very
even
nice.
give you the screws.
Ooh, okay. Yeah, we got the cleaning wipes. I don't know what these could be used for.
Hey man, safety, coronavirus.
Ah, okay. Make
Flatten
sure
the
you
curve.
stay safe during COVID-19. Okay, here you go.
Thanks, man.
Get right in between the fingers too. No extra clean. We gotta stay safe.
They call you Mr. Clean.
Alright, what we got next?
We got the control box.
The control box, okay.
So the way you wire these up, so here they have a little IR LED, which is what the remote communicates with.
Right.
And then you have the power, which is with the power brick, and then the connection to the LED strips.
Ooh, very nice that they give it to us all in one.
Yeah, it's a complete package.
Alright, let's check out the menu and peep those features.
All right. So, first off, let's talk about the mounting options. So they have the adhesive strips, and as you showed earlier with the clips, and apparently you can cut the strips if they're actually too long, which is pretty good. I think it actually might require an app too. So unfortunately, despite this using an infrared remote, you do actually have to use an app, which is a bit of a shame, but that opens up a lot of opportunities to be able to use it with, let's see, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, well, I think it's about time we field test it.
Ooh, hype. Jump cut.
All right, so we're at the car wash.
Yeah, we're
to
here.
Test out the Amazon Hitlights.
Awesome.
So, let's give it a go. So we're going to go through the unboxing, as we already did, and we're going to go through the setup process for the LED lights.
Set up. All right, what we got next, Martin?
All right, so the first step in the setup process is to scan this QR code and download the app, which means we need a phone.
Oh, I got you.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
All right, let's get this QR code scanned.
Let's do it.
All right, so first step, you're going to turn on your phone by clicking the power button, and then you're going to go over to your camera, point it at the QR code, and then wait for the link to pop up. Then you click on the link, and it's going to take you to this web page, which shows the download button for the app called Smart Life, the formal version. So you just click download, and it'll take you to the App Store. And it's a free app. You don't have to pay since you already paid for the LED strips. So you're just going to click get, and then that's it. All right, so if we look over to the Smart Life app and open it, you'll see that we have to sign up for an account, which not a big fan of that, but that's what we need to do, so we're going to do it. All right, let's just start up by opening the box. Power cable.
Use stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Power,
Can you plug that in for me, please?
Got you, blood.
All right. Control box and the LED strips. So you'll see that there's this 4-prong connector on the LED strips. They go into the separate connector on the control box. And if you come closer here, you'll see that there's this little arrow here that allows you to line up with a little mark that's on the connector here. So if we just connect that in, and then we'll take the power connector, plug it right in here.
Boom, pow.
That's it.
We got it.
Alrighty, so we got it set up. We got it connected to the power. Now we just gotta bring out the remote, take it out the little snip, boom, and then
Turn it on. Ooh.
Okay.
Hot damn.
So I guess you don't actually need the app to use this.
Yeah, I guess not. That's actually
what
pretty
other
convenient.
functions do you? Okay, so let's just go through the remote then. So through the remote, you can actually set it to either each of the R, G's, or the B's. So if you point to red, it'll give you red lights. Point at green, give you green lights.
Very nice.
Point at blue, and it'll give you blue lights. And I don't know if you're catching this, but when you switch between lights, it actually smoothly switches between each color.
That's a good feature. That shows quality.
Yeah, you can also change the brightness, which is great. There's even flashing, fading. That doesn't look like fading to me. Oh well.
It's very nice and flexible too.
It is. All right, well, to unlock the full potential of this, you're probably going to need to connect it to the app, so let's go do that. All right, so now we're going to go through the setup process with the app. So once you download it, it'll show this blank screen. And this is after you sign in, just to be clear. And then you're going to see this Add Device button, which we just click there. And it's going to bring up a menu of all the devices that you can connect. So we're going to go down to lighting, and then we're going to go down to strip light right there. So we'll just click that. And you also have to be connected to a Wi-Fi network for this to work. And as it says here, it only works with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks, not with 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks. So it asks for your password for your network, which I'll just put in here. So then after you've inputted your password, the next step is to make sure the lights are in reset mode. And to do that, you actually have to turn the lights on and off very rapidly by connecting and disconnecting them from power. So Marcus, can you disconnect and connect those very fastly a few times? It's not like around 3 times. All right.
Oh, there we
go.
go.
It's fast blinking. And then it's going to ask you to confirm that, which we'll just do right there. And then it's going to start searching for the device. All right, so we let the setup run through, and now it says that the device has been added.
Awesome.
Yeah, so we'll just click done, let it do its thing. And now we get this whole interface. I mean, let's just see if it works. Look at that.
Very smooth. Wow.
Wow. Yeah, very quick response time. You can turn it on or off. Change the brightness, the shades, all of it. All right, so after looking at the basic lighting features, which we already went through, there's also this tab called modes. And if you go there, you'll have 3 modes. So the first one is smooth, and you can actually change how slowly or how quickly you want the lights to cycle through all the colors. You can also go through flash. All that does is the same thing, except there's no transitions. And then finally, we have music mode. And as you can see, when I talk, the lights move when I talk. And it has 3 main modes. So there's soft, there's classic, and there's rock.
Ooh.
And you can adjust how sensitive the microphone is. So if we go all the way down, it's a lot less sensitive. And if we turn it all the way up, much lighter sounds. If you're listening to softer music, we'll be able to trigger the LEDs. And you can also change the speed at which the LEDs change. Overall, very full-featured device.
Yep.
All right, so you can, in fact, control the music mode from the remote. But using the IR remote here, we can actually turn on the music mode, which I've already done, which is why it's reacting to my voice. And we're going to test how the music reacts with the LEDs. And just for reference, the microphone is actually on the control box, this little hole here. So if you have music, you're going to want it to be somewhat close to that hole. So let's test it with some music.
All right.
Works.
Yo, Martin, I think I know a great place to test this. Where the f we at? Jump cut.
So this is the spot?
Nah, man. I mean, this B-dub was pretty valid, but I think we got a better spot.
So where are we at?
Jump cut.
Is this the spot?
This is still a really nice spot, dude, but I think I got something better.
Do you?
Yep. Jump cut.
This has to be the spot, dude.
You know, this spot is awesome too, but it just ain't right. It ain't right yet.
I get what you're saying. You know what? Let me try.
Yeah?
I think I know where we should go.
Okay.
Jump cut. I mean, this is pretty valid.
Yeah, man. This is the spot, dude.
This is the spot.
Looking good.
Yeah, I mean, these LEDs are making it better than ever.
Yep.
I mean, honest thoughts on the LEDs?
I think we got ourselves a pretty good product here, Martin. They're bright.
They are bright. You can connect them with your phone, but you
Yep.
don't have to. You can just use the remote if you want to.
Yep.
You don't have to use the app, which is great. Although the fact that the app requires you to sign up is a bit lame.
Yeah,
but
that's a little,
I mean,
brings it down a notch, but.
brings it down a notch. But honestly, apart from that, it's pretty fantastic. Another
Yep.
thing I want to note is that the price, it's a bit high.
Yeah.
You could get twice the length of LEDs for about $20, but honestly, for how well this product works and how easy it was to set up, even on the phone, I feel like for $30 for 5 meters or 16.4 feet length of LEDs, it's not bad.
And for the quality too. Yep.
Fantastic quality.
Yep. That was
Honestly,
great.
I don't know about you, but I think this product is a major go. So, full transparency, this product was provided to us for review by Wang Lily, a
Thank you very
fantastic
much, Wang.
Amazon seller, yes.
What's good? It's your boy, Mr. Fat Cakes. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Make sure you hit that like button. We got a lot more hotness coming down the line. So in the meantime, check out our latest video, or you can check out our other videos on our channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button right there. Subscribe to Mr. Fat Boys today. Become a fat boy. All right, signing out.